Clear, look at this. The turning point or most intense moment in a story is called climax. Clear? That is the highest tension point. That is climax. Climax when the story reaches at the peak. Next one, all hands on deck is synecdoche. Synecdoche. Clear? A part represents the whole in synecdoche. A part represents the whole in synecdoche. For example, I say all noses looking at the board. All noses looking at the board. It's a whole, it's a part. Nose is a part of the body. Clear?
Yes.
All noses mean all students. All students who are looking at the board. All noses represents the whole all students. That is called a synecdoche. Part that represents all. Next one. The wind whispered. Why personification? The wind whispered because
It's
yes.
human, because whisper is a quality of human.
Whisper is a human quality. Well done. Next one, an exaggerated statement, not literal, is called hyperbole. An exaggerated statement, not literal, is called hyperbole. Clear? Can you give me the example of hyperbole? Huh? A student comes just 5 minutes late. Huh? I say, oh, your century is late. Your century is late. That is hyperbole. Clear? Next one. His tender, my dear. So there is repetition of H sound.
Yes.
Clear? That's the reason it is annotation. Next one. Adjectival phrase in the sentence. The book on the top. On the top is adjectival phrase. Clear? Because why it's adjectival phrase? Because telling the quality of book. And why it is a phrase? Because there is no verb in it. Next one. Synonym for deceitful is crafty. Clear? Crafty means the person who cheats. The person who is a cheater, that is called deceitful. Crafty is the person who is a cheater. Next one. Opposite of magnify is enhance. Reduce. No. Magnifying, making something bigger. Clear? Reduce, making something smaller. Clear? Is it clear? Next one.
Yes.
Last one left.
Yes.
Spelling. Eccentricity is the right spelling. Clear? Next one. Identify the complex sentence. That is B part, I think so. I can't go back to school until I recover from flu. What makes it a complex sentence? Because there is one independent class. I can't go to school, that is independent class. Until I recover, that is dependent class. So there is independent and dependent class. That's the reason it's a complex sentence. Thank you very much. Keep sitting over here.